Sophia's family had a history of heart disease, so when her cholesterol and blood pressure started rising in her 40s, she was worried. Her doctor recommended making lifestyle changes, including following Mediterranean diet. Sophia didn't know much about it, but was willing to try anything to avoid medication. She began eating more whole grains, legumes, fresh produce, fish, and olive oil. Grilled lamb and fish replaced butter and red meat. Within a few months, Sophia's numbers improved, and she felt better than she had in years. Her doctor was stunned by how quickly she turned her health around. Sophia was convinced the Mediterranean diet saved her life. May is National Mediterranean Diet Month, honoring a way of eating proven to promote overall wellness. The Mediterranean diet reflects traditional cuisines of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece and Italy. It emphasizes natural, minimally processed foods, fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, legumes, olive oil, and moderate amounts of dairy, poultry, and red wine. The Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest diets in the world. Decades of scientific study have shown it may help prevent and manage conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and some cancers. Following a Mediterranean diet has been linked to longevity and improved brain health. The secret is sticking to nutritious whole foods and healthy fats while reducing unhealthy carbs, sugar, and red meat. During National Mediterranean Diet Month, people are encouraged to make meals inspired by cuisines from countries like Greece, Spain, and Morocco. Some plant robust herb gardens, so they have the fresh aromatic herbs like rosemary, basil, mint, and thyme that are signatures of the Mediterranean diet. Farmers markets see more visitors interested in seasonal produce, olives, feta cheese, and other staples of the diet. Home-cooked rifles through recipes for dishes like tuboli, hummus, paella, and souvlaki. Many make an effort to use olive oil instead of butter for cooking and dressings. Food bloggers create Mediterranean diet meal plans for people wanting to improve their nutrition. Winemakers promote the benefits of moderate red wine consumption, a key part of Mediterranean culture. Thanks to discovering the Mediterranean diet, Sophia got her health back on track. She shared her story with others and encouraged friends and family to make similar changes. By promoting delicious and nutritious recipes, home cooking, and a lifestyle prove to promote longevity. National Mediterranean Diet Month aims to make wellness accessible to all. For Sophia, every month was a Mediterranean Diet Month. She planned to enjoy its benefit for life. May is National Mediterranean Diet Month. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Mediterranean Diet Month. Cheers!